The only reason why companies fail is because they don't know how to utilize retargeting. To really get someone to purchase, you need the frequency to be over 15 times. That's the average time it takes for a person to go ahead and really notice what you're selling and what you're offering. And that's exactly why you want to go ahead and spend a few minutes to watch this video, because this can literally save you thousands and thousands of dollars and really realize why your products aren't selling as well as they should be. Before we get into today's video, let's start by announcing last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses, consulting course with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Let's get right into the episode.
And you want to really able to understand it. Segment everything, where you would have one, you really want to tailor the ads to where they're in the funnel. Like if someone has added to cart, I would have a literal ad copy saying, hey, you're so close, here's another 10%
exactly.
Really tailoring it, as well as putting the level of effort into those retargeting ads. Something that's been huge recently is frequency of retargeting. People aren't retargeting with a high enough frequency. For example, what I'm doing is I retarget anyone that's watched, been to any of my websites.
Right.
And I would have literally 30 different creatives. People don't do that. Like people are retargeting their food top, like they probably have like 2 to 3 creatives that are for retargeting, but I have 30. And the reason why...
Sorry. Are we too loud? Oh. Wait, oh, we're too loud. Okay, cool. I just didn't know that they were shooting. Okay.
And the reason why I'd have 30 is because if you only have 3, Facebook would not allow your frequency to get past like 5 or 6, because it doesn't want to annoy its customers and users with the same ad more than 5 times. But if you have 30 creatives, you get the frequency up to like 15, and that's when people start converting. And that's what people aren't doing enough. You're wasting a lot of money getting that frequency to 5 or 6, but little did you know, if you just sort of pushed it to like 10, spend a little extra money, easy conversions. And like, you know what McDonald's does, they don't have the same ad everywhere. They want to show you ads on billboards, bus stands, TV, and they're all different, and you fall in love with the brand as a result. So that's why I have tons of different creatives, and every time I create a new creative, I somehow make it retargeting based, and I put it into the retargeting funnel. Like eventually I want hundreds of ads in my retargeting funnel, so that people are just seeing my product or my ads in different angles continuously, and eventually they'll click. And Facebook would now, with ease, continually showing your ads, because they don't mind showing different ads to people, because that's, you're not annoying them in that case. You're annoying them if you're showing the same creative more than 5 times. So that's something super powerful with retargeting I've been doing there.
Bam, as you can see, lots of value. This was a consulting session I had with one of Sydney's largest marketing agencies, LNA Social. They work with, I mentioned, big brands like TEDx and Ferrari, and to go ahead and share them a lot of knowledge that people would go ahead and pay hundreds and thousands of dollars for. But since I want to just provide you guys with as much free value as possible, you guys are getting it completely for free. So all I ask in return is hit the like button, hit the subscribe. That's all I ask. I never upsell anything on my YouTube videos, so that's all I ask for. Hope you guys have an amazing day, crushing the day. Go and check your Facebook ads. What is your retargeting frequency? Let me know. Drop your answer in the comments below. I've been answering every single comment, every single DM, so make sure you DM me on Instagram. Let me know if you have any questions whatsoever, and I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with much more value. Peace.